This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Land Rover Discovery Sport versus BMW X5. We'll explore their distinct market positions, seating configurations, and initial price points to help you understand their fundamental differences. The Discovery Sport is a compact luxury SUV, often available with 7 seats, making it versatile for families. The BMW X5, a mid-size luxury SUV, usually seats 5, though a third row can be added. You'll also find a notable difference in their starting prices. When it comes to performance, these two SUVs take different approaches. The Discovery Sport typically features efficient 4-cylinder petrol and diesel engines, often with mild hybrid technology, delivering up to 246 horsepower. It comes standard with all-wheel drive, designed for varied terrain. The BMW X5, however, offers more powerful inline-6 and V8 engines, with some models exceeding 500 horsepower, and also includes plug-in hybrid options. It provides both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive choices. Inside, both SUVs offer luxurious cabins, but with different priorities. The Discovery Sport provides flexible seating for 5 or 7 passengers, with up to 60 cubic feet of cargo space when the rear seats are folded. It focuses on practicality and robust design. The BMW X5, while typically seating 5, can also be configured for 7 passengers and boasts a larger cargo capacity of up to 72.3 cubic feet with its rear seats down. Both come equipped with advanced infotainment and high-quality finishes. The driving experience truly differentiates these two. The Discovery Sport is engineered for adventure, offering impressive off-road capabilities with systems like Terrain Response 2 and a weighting depth of 600 millimeters. It provides a confident and composed ride. The BMW X5, conversely, prioritizes on-road performance, delivering a sporty and engaging drive with powerful engines and dynamic handling. While both are luxury SUVs, the Discovery Sport often presents a more accessible entry point for its blend of versatility and capability. For those looking to streamline their meal prep, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.